In this video, we're just going to take a look at how to balance a checkbook. If you look here, we have a checkbook register, and I'm going to explain what the different columns mean, and I'm going to help you fill it in. So the first column is the check number. If you pay for something using a check, this is where you write what that check number is. The next column is the date. This is where you put the date of the transaction. So if you bought something on April 7th, I would put April 7th here, or 4/7. The transaction is what you're spending money on or why you're getting money. So if it's payday, you would put payday. If you went to Finish Line and bought a pair of shoes, you would write shoes from Finish Line or something along those lines. The next column is a withdrawal. A withdrawal is whenever you're subtracting money. So whenever you're spending something, this is where you put that amount. Then we have the deposit, which is whenever you're adding money. So a lot of times this is something like when someone owes you money, like they owe you $25, you put $25 there. Or if you're receiving a paycheck and you get paid $400, you would put $400 there. And then the last column is your balance. This is where you calculate how much money you have total. And I'm going to do a quick example, and then I'll leave you guys to do one on your own. So we'll start off by saying my starting balance is, $300. So that's what I'll put in my balance. And then on May 1st, I get paid. And I get paid, we'll say $1,000. Because I'm receiving that money, it'll go in my deposit. Now, my next step would be to calculate my new balance. My new balance would be my previous balance, the $300, plus what I just deposited. So $1,000 plus $300 is $1,300. Now let's say I go shopping on Amazon and I buy myself a new pair of shoes. I fill that in on my transaction, and then I'm buying that the day after payday. I'm just itching to spend some money. And I spend $200 on shoes, so they're a nice pair of J's. And I write a check, and it's check number 413. So my new balance would be my previous balance of $1,300 minus my withdrawal, what I just spent, the $200. $1,300 minus $200 is $1,100. And I just keep doing that with every transaction that I make.